not working.
How come you can't take that off? Did you put that sticker there?
No, it was there.
Take it off.
But I like it there.
Is it still recording? It's like an Italian song, maybe.
Italian!
Oh my gosh!
Perfect! Oh my gosh, look at that! He's so cute!
You're so adorable! He's so cute.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was really not good. Sorry, she told me to shut the door.
What? Whoa!
No,
That
I
was-
was go faster. Really.
That was really low! That's so low! Oh my gosh, he took that picture of himself! What? I can't roll my R's and it stinks.
Do it. Roll your R.
I told you. Oh my gosh, I love him.
Oh my gosh, he reminds me of someone in that picture.
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh! The thing that I need, like.
I'm so proud. Do it! Do it! Do it! Come on. That's
You did it.
Because I knew you were gonna sing it with me. Come on.
No, now people are gonna be like, yeah, you can sing, and I'll be like, no, I was yelling that, okay? That's all right. That's okay. You never loved me anyway, and I think it's time for you to just move on. I forgot the rest.
And then what would your answer really be?
Yeah, okay.
You have to flip your hair a little bit.
Yeah, okay.